Wolfgang William Van Halen is an American musician and the bassist for Van Halen, having replaced Michael Anthony in 2006. He is also the former bassist for the heavy metal band Tremonti. At 29 years old, he is currently the youngest member of Van Halen. Named in homage to the classical composer Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, he is the son of Dutch-American guitarist Eddie Van Halen and American actress Valerie Bertinelli, and the nephew of Dutch-American drummer Alex Van Halen. Wolfgang has said that he did not know his father was a famous musician until he started picking up CDs and saw his father's picture on them. Following the completion of the 2007-2008 Van Halen tour, Wolfgang returned to school. Planning to graduate by the summer of 2009, he would graduate in 2010. Van Halen appears as the bassist for Van Halen in Guitar Hero, Van Halen, even replacing Anthony in the band's past incarnation. Van Halen had an indirect effect on his father's career from the very beginning of his life. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.